if you're still doubting yourself, I'm just gonna remind you na I just started my affiliate journey months ago, maybe June, I don't remember, June or July. But the thing is, I can show you my earnings, pero look what I got behind me. Those are my affiliate, what do you call that? Free samples approved na dumating na. Okay, total of 6. Yeah! Like, alam mo ba, nananalangin lang ako dati na sana kahit isang sample lang, kahit isang sample na talaga ibigay sa akin. Super thankful na talaga ako nun. Tapos, biruin mo, 6 na sila ngayon. For me lang, hindi naman ako ganun ka-pro na or pinakang, kumbaga ay hindi naman ganun kataas sa pagiging affiliate, ka nga beginner pa lang kasi nakasisimula pa lang natin. Pero if you're still doubting yourself, like if you're still at that position where you wanna give up or whatsoever, I don't wanna i-call out, basta please don't. It's just a tough days, and mawawala din yan, lilipas din yan. Pero kung itutuloy mo yan, kasi itutuloy talaga natin to, promise, hindi natin to titigilan. So, this is my second account. So, my main, search nyo na lang Yali Nana. Yali, Nana. Yali Nana. So, that's my main account. You can visit that and mag-purchase kayo doon. Pero, sinasabi ko sa inyo, tuloy lang ng tuloy. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi talaga ganun kadami yung mga views ko, pero I don't care. I just keep posting and posting and posting. Pero dati, I really care. Up until now naman may mga araw na dadaan na pag nakikita ko yung views, mga 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, talagang bilang siya. Parang nakakapanghina. Pero, hindi naman yun doon nasusukat eh. Doon yun nasusukat sa kung gaano ka consistent mag-post or mag-engage, and then tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Magkakamit. Ayan. At itutuloy talaga natin yun. So, please, don't give up.